Hello, Saeed. I hope you're doing well this morning. Okay, so it turns out the switch statement that you asked about is very simple. Okay, so going back to the switch statement. So for the first case, so we have three cases in general for this game. So it's either a tie or the user wins or the opponent wins. So if the opponent wins, the user loses. So we're looking at it from our point of view. So we're the user that we're playing. Okay, so imagine the opponent being the computer that you're playing with. Okay, so for the first case, the reason why I used let user opponent is because I needed to create a variable to match all cases. So I don't know what the user choice is going to be and what the opponent's choice is going to be. So instead of going case rock rock and case scissors scissors and case doing the same thing over and over again, I can just create a variable which is a tuple. So here let user and opponent, so whatever choice for the user and whatever choice for the opponent, where user equals the opponent. So the first variable equals the second. So this first case is checking if it's a tie. And then the second case is checking if the user's choice is either rock, paper, or scissors against the opponent choice where the opponent would lose. So rock is always stronger than scissors because it breaks it. Paper is, and I'm sure you know the game, but I'm just trying to explain it. So paper covers the rock, and so it wins, and then scissors cuts the paper, so it wins. And this way the user wins. So we're checking for the win cases for the user because now we're only checking for the user. You can do it the other way, but this is easier for you to understand. And then the default is that in any other case, then the user loses. So this is basically what it is. It's very simple. The only thing that we used let where again is to create variables for multiple cases where the user's choice is the same as the opponent's choice.